Hey everybody, what's up? It's Ben here again. I'm talking to you about something different today. Something that's kind of seems like it's out of left field, but it's really not. You've probably heard me mention in the past that I've been building websites since 2001, that I work on the internet. I've been working on the internet as an affiliate since 2001, specifically with expertise in SEO, search engine optimization, getting good rankings in Google and other search engines in the past. Um, so I wanted to do this video about white hat SEO and the importance of following white hat SEO guidelines in 2023. So just like there's all this AI content generators out there now, and people are using them to try to produce more content. Google's also detecting spammy user-generated content and penalizing for that. And Google's also about to face a challenge in search for the first time in over 20 years. There's been really no competitor to Google for the last 2+ decades. And now with being in ChatGPT kind of aligning forces, that's going to change the way on which Google's got to do things. I saw a great video on YouTube highlighting how actually Google's actually ahead of the game. They're not behind it. They just haven't released it yet. And that they could crush GPT basically. How accurate it is, I'm not sure, but I wouldn't be surprised that they have some real powerful models in the works and will be released soon. The one thing that they want to do always is satisfy the users, the searcher's intent. So the searcher comes back and keeps coming back because every time they come back, they find what they're looking for. And they don't want to make that difficult to do. And so they're going to come down hard on AI generated content, come down hard on link schemes, on buying guest posts, on trading links, on private blog networks, whatever the case might be. Any of those tactics that are not white hat, that are either black hat or even gray hat, are not going to work very well in 2023. The search engine world's going to change, and it's going to be even that much more important for them to really weed out all the BS and only pull together the true authorities and the true sources that deserve to be ranking at the top. So what is going to really change the game is white hat AI SEO. And so you got to follow the guidelines. You got to be a white hat SEO. But there is AI SEO tools and software out there that are incredibly powerful for your business. Surfer SEO, for example. It's a huge tool. Anyone who writes blogs should have a Surfer SEO account. And if you don't, you're just shooting in the dark blindly, really. Once you use it, it opens your eyes and you go, okay, yeah, how did I ever not use that? So Surfer's a totally good white hat SEO tool. AI. Ahrefs also has some. SEMrush also has some. Even RankBrain has some AI SEO software built into their WordPress plugin. And then you've, of course, got the content generators. There's a big difference in the quality of output from, say, Copy AI to Jasper AI. Jasper is like 1, if not 2 levels above Copy AI in terms of quality of content. But even then, it still does some things that's not very good, and they have to be taken care of and addressed. You can't just take the content as it gives it to you and post it online and think, okay, great, I've got, an article up, because it's not. It's just been regurgitated. So you have to use the Jasper as like a way to write blog outlines, as a way to get like a rough first draft going. But I did a post yesterday that the draft part took 5 minutes or whatever. But actually the editing of the post and then using our Surfer SEO to optimize the post and do everything that needs to be done to rank in today's search engine algorithms in today's world, I spent almost 3 hours editing that post. So yeah, you could get the ball going quicker, but then there's just an immense amount of work that's required. It's almost better to even write it by hand the old school way, because then you can just navigate through the key strategies that you're using that separate your SEO technique from others. And I'm not going to go into my SEO techniques here. I'm just going to talk to you guys about the importance of following white hat SEO in 2023. Don't be violating Google's guidelines. Don't be buying links. Don't be trading links. Earn them over time, slowly. That's just the way it goes. And you'll be good to go. So with that, guys, I bid you well.